Alright guys, this is episode 2 of growing 200 rand into 10,000 rands, right? So you guys saw episode 1, we made a loss, but then we recovered that loss just right after we made it, and then we transferred the funds to a micro account, and then we continued there. But you guys are gonna see through the video, I'm gonna explain everything, so make sure you stay tuned, make sure you watch this video till the end, guys. And also make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on post notification bell so you can get notified once I upload. Nonetheless guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's get it, let's go. Yo, what's up you guys? It's your favorite trader back again, guys, with another back again with another banger, guys. So this is basically us continuing episode 2 of growing 200 rand all the way up to 10,000 rand, right? So guys, as you guys saw in the previous episode, we don't have much time because we have to enter this buy on GBPJPY. But let me quickly enter the buy, then I'll explain to you guys what's happening, right? Alright guys, so we're currently on the account. We're just gonna go to GBPJPY and then we're gonna set our trade. Okay, there it is. It's gonna check the stop loss, guys. Let's check how much the stop loss is. Okay, let's say 5 rand. That's the stop loss. So you need to check the stop loss also on trading view, right? Let's just check the stop loss on trading view. Good, so the stop loss is at 186,780, right? 186,780. So let's say we can put it here, 780. Let's put it at 800, right? That's a 7 rand stop loss, guys. So 7 rand we can take up to, let's say, this much trades, say 7, 14, 21, 28. Can still take like 3 more trades. I think 3 more trades are fine, guys. So let's just wait for it to operate the beat. 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, so it doesn't want me to enter more trades, guys. Unfortunately, those are all the trades I can enter. So we're going to copy the stop loss and then we're going to put it on all this positions, right? And I'm going to explain to you guys why the account balance is as it is, right? I'm going to explain to you guys. Remember guys, I didn't blow that account that day, right? On day 1. So the account, I think the account was on 70 rand. So I actually brought the account back from 70 rand all the way back to 200 rand. And I'm going to show you guys now the history of the MT4, right? I just transferred it to MT5 because it was more convenient. But let's quickly set the trades and then we could. So because it's a small account, guys, this is a swing trade. But because it's a small account, we are just going to target this level right here, which is TP1, and then TP2 is going to be there. So 188, 160. Maybe we're only going to leave 1 trade running, but then yeah guys, so 188, 160, right? So that's like you can target 188, 200 or 188, 160, right? Like 8 rand, guys. So it basically, this is a 1:1 trade, right? This is a 1:1 trade. Not what you would like to take. It's not an ideal trade that you would like to trade, but then yeah guys, with growing an account, it comes with discipline, guys. So just gotta be disciplined, you know, just gotta move with what the market can give you, because you also don't want to overtrade. You also don't want to do take target big targets while you know this is a small account. You have to grow this account. At the end of the day, I think this trade can give us close to 8, 16, 20 something. Yeah guys, it can grow the account substantially, so the account can be like on 250, 240. So it will be good. So let me go show you guys that MT4 account. Yeah guys, so here's the account. Remember that we were trading last, so we took this loss, right? Remember we funded 200 rand on this account. After funding 200 rand, we took this loss, and then the account was still left with 170 something, not 170 something, with 70 something or 7 something, I think 76 there. And then obviously we took this profit on gold, which was my scalp trades. While this one I already uploaded the video, then I took this trades, and then obviously as you can see here, I made an internal transfer. If you go back to my account, guys, here you can see that obviously the same amount was made. As you can see, 209. If you go back here, you're gonna see 209, right? So it's the same amount. This was the transfer that I did, guys. So yeah guys, we're taking this trade on GBPJPY. I've been looking at this trade since, like, ever since, guys. So basically what I saw on this trade, just go to trading view and show you guys what I saw on this trade was basically going to the higher time frames, you can basically see that this trading view thing, you can basically see the market created what here, the first touch, second touch, third touch, right? It started impulsing to the upside, and then it broke this high. After breaking this high, it gave us a rejection, right? Not a rejection, but a what is it, a correction. So once it gave us a correction, now it started giving us this correction, which we call what, the trends in trends, right? So basically this is a what, a bullish flag, giving us the bullish flag. Inside that bullish flag, it also gave us a pennant, right? A bullish, is it closing symmetrical pennant or something, triangular something, guys. So it went up impulsively, and then it gave us this pennant, broke out to the upside, came here, retesting this high, also retesting both of this trend lines. So we have multiple confluences, right? And then it bought. So this high, this movement here also broke this high, and as you can see currently, guys, we are in profit, I think, or not yet, but I do really want to add trades. So let me just see, guys, if I can add more trades. So that the least you can trade here is 0.1, guys. So I cannot do anything, I think. Yeah, so we can only take 0.1 here. So it's that bad, guys. But I also have another trade on EuroCAD that I'm looking at, guys. EuroCAD. Let me just go on trading view and show you guys the one on EuroCAD that I'm looking at. So now we're going to be focusing more on currency pairs, guys, because I've realized with indices we can kill the account fast. So 1 hour time frame, this is what we're looking at, guys. Overall, this is what we're looking at, right? The market has been coming down for the longest time, right? Coming down, and as you can see, the market has been just breaking lows here, breaking lows that it's creating, right? And now here, what did it start creating? Now it started creating the impulse correction. So what do we expect here? We expect the impulsive move, right? Going down to the 30-minute time frame, guys. 30 minutes time frame, we can see that properly, that the market is broken out, and we're looking for it to break this support level in order for us to enter here, right? So that's basically what we are looking for, guys. Basically just the breakout, and then we're going to enter this one on the breakout. We're not going to wait for a retest, mainly because the market already is retesting this trend line right here, right? So basically we know once they break here, they're going to take out liquidity, so they're going to move fast. So we also have to be fast on that one, right? But nonetheless, we are focused on trading GBPJPY. I will update you guys later in the course of the trade, or the course of the day, how the trade is going and so on, right? Stop loss was set, take profit was set. For now, it's just for us to wait and see how the market is going to move. I'll catch you guys once the market moves, right? So guys, what I think of doing is I'm just going to set sell stops on the EuroCAD trade, right? So here by EuroCAD, obviously maybe I'm going to be sleeping by the time this trade activates, because you guys know, now it's nighttime now, the market just opened, so it's going to be late by this time, guys. What did I just do? Guys? How do I fix this, guys? Let me just look for a way to fix what I just did, guys. Shit. How do I do this, guys? Okay, here, undo. So just wanted to tweak the stop loss a bit. So here the price is at what? 1449,791, right? EuroCAD 49791. EuroCAD 49791, right? So it's the spread on this thing, bruh, 49791, right? 791. This is where the sell stops are, right? So basically we are going to take our trade there. Just check if I'm correct. 49791. We're going to push this one to okay, there's a low there, and then the market created here. So basically the market might also come reverse somewhere around about. Okay, so basically we can have some few TPs there, but then with the spread we just have to have it here. So 48939, guys. So it's let's see, guys. No 48939. So it's 48939, somewhere there, 11 rand. So if you can take how many trades, so maybe like 0.30, that'll give you 8 rand stop loss. So maybe like a 0.5. There's a good trade for a small account like this. Good trade. So if that one in place, guys, planning to risk 14 on that trade, 14 rands. I think we can add like another 0.2 or 0.0. Let's see, guys, 0.3. I think we can add another 0.3 to that. Just there. Add that. Go to the 0.5 and then we copy whatever is here. And then we paste it here, right? So because you need to set stop orders, guys, if you know you're not going to be at the market, because you can actually have that successful analysis, right? And that trade will play out as you want it to play out, but then you were sleeping, right? That's why pending orders are there, right? And obviously, if you want to analyze, guys, make sure you click the link in the description. I'm analyzing with TradingView. TradingView, you can even look at the news, everything, guys. So TradingView is literally the best platform, right? Yeah, guys, so let's see. I'll update you guys once the market moves. As you can see, GBPJPY is still playing around, but it's showing us signs of pull, guys. So I did also give out the signal on my group, my signal group. I want to swing GBPJPY, guys, but the problem with it is that it looks like it traded a left shoulder here ahead, so it looks like it wants to create the right shoulder now. So we're gonna try and go till here, but I'm gonna lock profits as soon as I wake up and I find the market somewhere around about here. Let's say if the market breaks this high here on that candlestick's high, I am gonna lock my profits, right? So yeah, guys, let's see. The market is starting to go into profit. If the spread wasn't this big, we could have ate, guys, but let's see how London session is gonna push this trade, right? I hope with EuroCAD also we can also make profit. But yeah, guys, that's round about it. Let's wait for the market to move. I'll catch you guys whenever I come back to the market, guys. Same accounts. Let's push. Danko.
Yo, what's up, guys? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete this orders of EuroCAD, right? I'm gonna delete this orders of EuroCAD mainly because, guys, this is not a high probability setup, right? It's not a setup that we can really get paid off, because as you can see here, yes, we are looking for the market to break here as support, right? But then also here we have this low here, so it's going to be very risky to enter sales here, while the market can just pull back at any time in this area as bouncing off of support, right? So yeah, guys, so we are going to be looking for other setups. Remember, we're also looking at gold, right? Yo, but GBPJPY moved nice, guys. Expected the thing. So here, you see here, it triggered here, but then on the MT5 it didn't trigger, which is a good thing. So with Nasdaq, I was expecting it to do this, so I should be looking for new structure on Nasdaq. Let me just delete this, guys. Yeah, so I should be looking for new structure on Nasdaq. But yeah, gold. So I have to reanalyze gold, guys. As you can see, gold just took a buy. Right, so I have to reanalyze gold. But nonetheless, guys, GBPJPY, we chopped. TP1 was hit, hoping for it to hit TP2 so the signal group can eat. But yeah, guys, if I see another setup, I will keep you guys posted. Let's get it.
Yo, what is Gucci, guys? Yo, guys, so we just killed GBPJPY. Now I'm looking at EuroCAD, guys. Look, if you can go to the let's reset the chart, right? If you can reset the chart and you zoom out, right? Zoom out, you can basically see that here the market did respect this level, right? This trend line. So it's 1 and then 2, and then here we're expecting to do what? 3, because as you can see, the way that this market came down, right? Look, the market did come down in a manner of impulse, like correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, and impulse, right? But now, as you can see, the last few impulses, right, was regarded as what? As a correction, because you can see here that this area right here, it was now losing, the sellers were now losing momentum. Why? because as you can see the market pushed strong down, and here now it started correcting, and basically you can see this is also around the third touch of that trend line. So we formed this pennant right here, right, this closing triangle pennant thing. So here it's either it breaks out to the downside or it breaks out to the upside, right? Either way we're still gonna make money, right? Either way, anyway, if it breaks out. But then if it breaks out to the downside, I'm gonna be looking to take sells if it breaks this low, right? Sells all the way and target this low. But if it breaks, if it has to break this high, I'm gonna wait for it to retest, right? I'm not just gonna trade off of the break, because it can break acting as a fake out and then sell. So I'm gonna wait for it to break, retest, show me confirmation, and then I'm gonna enter until somewhere around about this high right here. This is where I'm gonna get out from this trade, right? So that's what I'm looking at on EuroCAD. And then if we can go to gold, on gold you can see that the market has basically formed this type of thing, right? So here we had 1 2 3, the market went to the top side, formed this double bottom, went up. Here we have 1 2, so we need the third touch. Also there's a resistance there, so if we are going to be selling on that specific area, we are going to be having 3 confluences, right? It's going to be the trend line, the resistance, the zone, the key area, and then also we're going to be looking for candlestick confirmation and a break of low in order for us to sell, guys. So yeah, guys, so everything is intact. GBPJPY, I just removed the other setup. I am seeing if the market has to now start correcting like this, the way it's correcting, and it breaks out here, I'm gonna wait for it to break certain lows, like this low or this low. It's gonna depend on which one I'm gonna wait for. I'm gonna look at the momentum, right? If it breaks this low and it retests here and it gives me confirmation, I'm gonna enter sales and target these 2 lows, right? But if the market keeps on going, man, then you know it's a choppery. Like I can't do anything. Then I should just wait for it to come here, third touch, and I'm gonna be looking for sales or something. But for now, that is around about it. And then with Nasdaq, guys, Nasdaq is not ready yet. Nasdaq, I'm just looking for it to correct its way. Look, it did test that resistance acting now as support. Now I'm just looking for it to correct its way up today so we can take sales, right? Because we can't sell in the middle. We need to sell high and buy low, guys. That's it. So I'll see you guys once I take my entry. I'm really feeling confident in the one of EuroCAD, right? So let me just remove this. I'm feeling confident in the one of EuroCAD, guys. I don't know why, but the setup looks clean. Everything is in my favor, you give me. So it's either EuroCAD. I'm not gonna take sales, guys. If EuroCAD has to break out here, retest and then buy. If it has to break out here, maybe it should break this low, retest and then sell. But I'm gonna see if I'm gonna take the sell. I'm basically just looking for buys, and then if that one doesn't have to play out, then I'm only gonna trade gold, right? I'm gonna wait for gold to tap into that area, and then maybe by New York session we can sell, right? So I'll be back to you guys once I take a trade. Nonetheless, I'm out. You give me.
Oh guys, as you can see, we're moving with EuroCAD, currently moving in profits, guys. We deep in blues. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna be looking for a place to lock my profit. So once the market, I think, breaks here or this high, right? So once it breaks one of those 2 highs, I'm gonna lock my profits, and basically I'm gonna do this, set my stop loss into profits, and then I'm gonna hold, right? So let's see how the markets move. Let's get it. Let's go. Away, guys, so as you guys can see, the market did create this structure right over here, right? So basically what this structure is saying to us is okay, we know here it created the left shoulder, the head, and then maybe this is the right shoulder, or maybe it still has to create the right shoulder, right? But then we know, we can see here the market gave us 1 touch, 2 touches, third touch. So now it's time for the market to do what? It's time for the market to now start buying, right? So we are just gonna we are gonna put our stop loss, put it higher a bit, mainly because now the market is manipulated enough, guys. It has moved how it wants to move. So it's time now that obviously we put up the stops, guys, at 20 rands, and then obviously we're gonna target 100. So I think that's like 1:8 or something, I'm not sure, guys. So yeah, that's what we're holding currently. And then also, guys, there is the USD Swiss franc trade, right? So you can see there it's forming the head and shoulder. Remember, we're having this trade before, so I wanted it to break there in order for me to trade, but I was not at the market at this time.
but it's also good, guys, discipline. So I need to wait for it to retest this place in order for us to get the proper head and shoulders, and then we need candlestick confirmation in order for us to enter. So this stop loss is gonna be right above this candlestick, right? So it's gonna be a beautiful trade. We are gonna target at least this low, right? We are gonna target that low, and I'm gonna tell you guys now why I'm targeting that low. As you can see, guys, this market has a long way to go, right? So at least I'm not gonna target here. I'm just targeting somewhere here because it's a small account, and you can see the market has been trending down for the longest time. So it's just this is just a correction in order for the market to sell, right? So yeah, guys, that is what's gonna happen, right? So we're looking for sales here. Yeah, man, so I'll update you guys once I take other trades, but for now this is what's happening here. With this trade, I don't even know. This trade I've been holding this trade the whole day now. It's just playing around my entry, guys. I entered a long time ago, guys. This trade, I entered it a long time ago. Imagine this thing, I entered it when it came here, guys. I entered it when it came here, and then it took me into drawdown, right? Drawdown, it came back, it came back, it came back, it came back, it came back. So if it comes back again, it's something else now, guys. Then like that, the market does not want to buy. You know, it's simply showing us that it's rejecting buys. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna stick to the holding part, discipline part, and we're gonna see how this trade plays out, right? Nonetheless, I'll catch you guys once the trade moves. Remember, we said once the market breaks one of these two highs, we are gonna lock profits, right? So yeah, man, let's see how it goes. I'll update you guys. You give me. What's up, guys? So also with GJ, let me just make an update before I go, guys. Also with GJ, I was looking for a sell if the market has to break below here. Remember, I was looking for a sell. So if the market has to break that level, right, so we are going to be looking for sales. Let me just show you guys the level that I'm talking about. So here, right, the market did create, let's just take away this box, right, and then we can also take away this channel, assuming now the market did not, you know, trade that channel that time, right? So okay, we just have that trend line, right? So the market just created a new low, right? The market just created a new low, which is here, and it's also part of this lows. So basically that's type of like a liquidity thing. So basically what I want to do as price action trader, I want the market to break out here, give us a retest, and then sell, right? That's what I want the market to do basically, but I'm only going to trade it based off of the breakouts. You guys know how I trade GJ, right? I trade it based off the breakout. So we're gonna wait for it to break out. Once it breaks out, I don't know, this thing is nice to trade during the morning, like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock there, guys. That's the time you should enter. You understand? That's the time you should enter. So the stop loss, we can put it there, and then with the TP, let's just see with TP. Okay, so we already have direction now. We don't need that thing. So with TP, we can put it where, like maybe on that low, guys. But you know, with GJ moves, like this thing moves, guys. So but yeah, guys, let's not be greedy. Let's not be greedy. Away. So there's the movement, and then with the stop loss thing, we can risk a bit more, guys, because we need to give the market room to breathe also. So maybe above that high there, yeah, that's a proper one. That's like a proper one, guys. So when it breaks there, we in. It must just not create, and it must not do the thing of breaking out, create another shoulder, because it's gonna take us out if it has to do that, right? If it has to go create another shoulder, like a left head and then right, it's gonna take us out. But then initially when it takes us out and it comes back, we're gonna enter again, right? This one is just to say that, hey, we're trying here now. And then also we're looking at, okay, EuroCAD market is moving, guys. USD Swiss franc waiting for the retest in order for us to take a sell. Nasdaq never reached the zone, guys, so I'm still waiting for Nasdaq to reach the zone. With gold did tap into the trade, so what I'm gonna wait for is for gold to come back, guys. So it should come back, or it should give us now some type of confirmation. Remember, now it came into the entry, guys. We've been waiting too long for this entry just to leave it the way it is, right? So basically we're gonna wait for some type of confirmation, guys. We can't just enter a market that's bullish like this, right? So let's wait for the market to do something, give us some structure, and then we can enter. So with GJ, so guys, between GBPJPY and USD Swiss franc, I think USD Swiss franc is more volatile, right? It's more perfect. It's good, because here, if you can check, the market is not even giving us like a flag or anything, right? I like trading with flags and those things. So here we should just leave. I think GJ for now, we're just gonna leave it. Gonna check how it moves. But with USD Swiss franc, I do want to enter, but at the same time, I also want to see the market perform any type of reversal or anything before I can enter the market. So yeah, guys, for now we focus on EuroCAD. Now we focus on our EuroCAD trade. There is it. Focus on that. For now, we see how that's going, right? Yeah, man. Guys, this EuroCAD trade should start moving now. It's basically irritating me with this 5 rand thing. I wanted to close this trade, but I was like, nah, this is a good trade. It's a good trade, guys. This trade should just move, right? So basically, when the market breaks there, guys, I'm gonna lock my profits straight up. Let me catch you guys once the market moves, guys. Yo, I'm talking too much now. Yo guys, so my phone about to go off, so I'm just gonna set this order 187,669. Just gonna set this order at 0.35, guys, and then we're gonna see, guys, what's gonna happen here. So let's place this order. My phone gonna go off anytime, guys, anytime. So yeah, guys, 188,534, right? 188,534, 188,534, $37 that we're risking, guys, to make a TP of let's see that shit. Come on, nigga. 184,468, 184. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Let's go $30. Oh yeah, guys, so as you guys can see, EuroCAD is pushing down impulsively. And also, guys, I don't want to make the video that long. Just woke up and I found this, guys. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna put my stop loss right below the 61.8, right? If the market is to pass the 61.8, and then I think we should be out by then. But then, yeah, man, let's look for new setups for today, guys. Let's see here by Nasdaq what's happening. You feel me? Yo, this thing always hits the trades while I'm not there, guys. So Nasdaq hit the zone, but it did not hit the trend line. So now from here, I should now decide. Well, my decision is I'm not gonna take a trade, not because I'm scared or anything, but mainly because the market has not shown me any structure to sell. It's still bullish, so this is nothing, guys. Gold, right? Looking at gold, guys, gold triggered our trade, but didn't give us what is this? Gold did not give us something to trade off with, right? So we need to wait for it to give us something. But as you guys can see, it's proper stuff. I'm gonna delete this, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna operate something here like that, right? Like that. So we're gonna wait for it to come back to the 61.8, guys. 61.8. It's there on top, right? There on top. So okay,
So we might be having maybe like this correction thing till the top side, but if it breaks, I'm not gonna take the trade because it's just not enough confluences to sell the market, right? Because this is a bullish market, guys. We need some proper stuff in order for us to sell. But for now, yeah, guys, that's it for gold. GBPJPY, the sell didn't play out. That's why we didn't take it. I'm glad we didn't take the sell. The market bought again. Like I said, this is a bullish market, guys. We might just be expecting this thing just to keep on buying. But then with GJ, if it has to come back here and gives us confirmation, we're gonna buy it again also. Just telling you guys, this thing might be giving us a left head right to sell, right? So you never know what it's doing. You just have to follow the market. So with EuroCAD, you guys saw that I placed my stop loss somewhere around about here to say that if the market has to invalidate that trade, then I'm out, guys. I can't be holding the trade for so long. Yo, currency pairs, nah, guys, currency pairs is a mess. Let me do something. I think there's still potential of this thing buying because I think it's creating a head and shoulder pattern. So I think we should just do this and then we put the stop loss here. Yeah, so it's fine. This thing we should just hold it, guys. I know it's gonna buy. I have confidence in it, right? Okay, USD Swiss franc. USD Swiss franc has now created a what we call a inverse, not an inverse, but a head and shoulder pattern, right? So going down, let's go down to the 15 minute. Going down to the 15 minute, you can see the market is correcting. This is a trade I wanna take, guys. This is a trade I wanna take. Made a mistake there, guys. This is a trade I obviously want to take. Well, I'm focusing. You guys might be thinking, why is he breaking that candle? I'm focusing on the most touches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So as the market breaks which low, where will we enter? Okay. Let's look for that. So we can say once the market breaks this low, we will look for sells. Right? Because they broke an area of high sensitivity. So yeah, so EuroCAD, let's just go back, adjust the stop loss. EuroCAD, four nine eight one three. 49813. 27 bucks, guys. So as much as I want to take the Euro CHF trade, bruh, like it's a problem now. Kikimatata. USD CHF. Away. So this one looks clean, guys. I think I'm just gonna, this one has to present a setup. If it has to complete the setup, I'm just gonna enter, guys, and then we're gonna see what's gonna happen, right? Yeah, so with saying that, guys, let me conclude. Let me go step away from the markets and come back later, guys. Danko. Hey, you guys stuff there by the EuroCAD. We chopping there, boy. There by EuroCAD. This thing we're gonna swing it, guys. We cannot hold something for like 2 days and stuff and it won't move. It has to move. Yeah, guys, so remember what I said. Once it breaks, we lock. There we go. At least 1 rand. So let's lock at least 1 rand, because you guys know there's still the swap, right? So it must not take us out with the loss. There's still that swap of 65 cents. So let's see, guys, how this thing will move. Hoping from here we maybe just test here and then we vie to the top side. So let's see what the market is for us, guys. I'll update you guys. Same account. Let's get it. Yo, what's up, you guys? Late night movements. As you guys can see, right, the market did give us a what? This ear, head and shoulders, right? So we've got a left shoulder, head, right shoulder, gave us a correction, broke out another correction here, right? And also the head and shoulder created a neckline. The market broke that neckline, retested. So now we're looking for sells to cover basically this ascending channel that has broken out, right? So let's quickly go to the chart and enter sells. Signals were sent, everything is actually ready. I should just enter my trade, right? So let's go ahead and enter the trade and see how this trade will play out. Nonetheless, I'll see you guys on the phone. Let's get it, let's go. Away, what's up, guys? So I just analyzed the news, right, and I saw that this thing is actually gonna go the opposite direction, right? So let me close and then I tell you guys why. So basically, for this account, I'm done, right? I'm gonna be posting this video after this. This is my last clip, right? Because look, guys, the market has been trending up, right? Trending up, down, up, down, up, down. So here now, it's keep on creating higher highs, guys, and higher lows. So I just think it's gonna buy, guys, because also you can see that now it's playing around that support. So let's leave this account on 328 bucks for today. We're gonna continue tomorrow with episode 3 of growing 200 rand into 10,000 rand. For now, this is how much we made, guys. 120 rand profit. Let's get it.
Alright, guys, this is episode 2 of growing 200 rand into 10,000 rands, right? So you guys saw episode 1, we made a loss, but then we recovered that loss just right after we made it, and then we transferred the account to we transferred the funds to a micro account, and then we continued there. But you guys are gonna see through the video, I'm gonna explain everything, so make sure you stay tuned, make sure you watch this video till the end, guys. And also make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on post notification bell so you can get notified once I upload. Nonetheless, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's get it, let's go.